My name is Gautam and I'm working as a trainer with Avishkar. I'm really excited to tell you guys what's so interesting about this webinar. For the first time in the history of Avishkar, I'm going to take a lie detector test.
Hello everyone, I am Nitish. I am a project manager at Avishkar, and just like Gautam, I'm really excited, also somewhat nervous to take this lie detector test. So please be easy on me, Gautam, and don't ask me any tricky questions. So let's start this exciting lie detector test by taking an oath which binds us to speak the truth. So I want you guys to take this oath with me and maybe write this oath in the chat box. मैं जो भी कहूँगा सच कहूँगा.
सच कहूँगा, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं कहूँगा. Okay, so just to check if this lie detector works, let's ask some obvious questions. What is your name?
Make a board. My name is Nitish.
Okay. So, I see a green light in the lie detector machine, which means it works. So the next question for Nitish and makers, even you can respond to this question in the comment section. As a young kid, Nitish, were you really excited to wake up in the morning and go to school? You can answer to this question as with makers.
Oh yes, Gautam. Going to the school was my favorite thing.
Let's see what lie detector machine has to say about that. So, it's thinking and the machine caught you, Nitish, which means you didn't like going to school in the morning. That's a big fat lie.
Next question is for you, Gautam.
Bring it on, Nitish.
Tell me, did you ever bunk school?
Bunk? What does that word even mean? I mean, of course not, Nitish. Who does that? I really enjoyed attending my classes.
Well, we let the maker board be the judge of that. So let's see what it has to say.
I never did such kind of thing. Oh, come on.
Whoa, I can't believe you bunked your school.
Did you like someone in school? Did you have a girlfriend?
Ooh, that is a dangerous question, Gautam. But I know the maker board always gets the truth, so I won't be lying now. Well, no, I never had a girlfriend. But yes, I did like someone.
Okay, let's see what maker board has to say about that. Okay, it's still thinking. Oh, someone did like someone in school. Be ready, hands on your keyboard. Let's see who among the audience has a fast finger. Okay, makers, here is your question. In a coded language, computer is written as Retupmoc, R-E-T-U-P-M-O-C. Then how would maker board be written in the same coded language? Write your answer in the chat box and our team is actually looking for the student who writes the correct answer.
Correct answers the most quickly.
Computer is written as Retupmoc. You need to find a pattern and then you need to type your answer. Then how would maker board be written in the same coded language? Come on. Let's see who has a fast finger.
Come on, makers. I'm sure you can figure this out.
I can feel that a lot of adrenaline might be rushing through our makers right now. Don't mistype while writing in the comment section, that won't be counted. All right.
Well, thank you, innovators, for answering. A lot of you have answered correctly, and we have found our winner who answered the quickest. Time for a slightly technical question for you.
Bring it on, Nitish.
So, which is the most dominant skill students should learn in today's world? What do you think? What is your take on this?
Nitish, well, I think that every student has its own likes and dislikes. But if you ask me, learning about how to code a computer is a pretty good skill nowadays. So I have actually made a lot of cool projects using coding as a tool. And even this lie detector machine is working with the help of a computer code.
Well, if that's so, let's see what the maker board has to say about it. That's right.
I'm asking a lot of questions. Let me ask you something. When you were a child, were you creative?
Oh yes, of course. I would always try to use jugaad and make devices out of old materials. Most of the times I would try and make Power Ranger gadgets.
Okay, that's a big statement. Let's see what MakerBoard has to say. Come on, MakerBoard, that's not fair. But anyways, that sounds great. So guys, I'm sure that you are all excited by now to look at what this new product is. So without further ado, on the count of 3 with me. 1,
2,
3.
So this is the Coder Starter Kit, the best way to learn coding and make over 50 plus smart gadgets for young kids who are 8 years or older and interested in becoming a world-changing innovator.
And finally, it comes with a detailed manual which will help you learn how to code and build all of these awesome projects. The manual will also have a QR code which will allow you to access a video course with 10 videos on how to learn coding and make these gadgets.
And since the MakerBoard has a Bluetooth module that can communicate to different devices, like even a smartphone, we have built a mobile app called MD Play, which is available on the Google Play Store. The app can be used to control any and all projects that you make using this kit.
So makers, this was all from our side. We hope you like the Coder Starter Kit and the lie detector test. We would now love to take your questions if you guys have any. So makers, come on with your questions. If you guys want to ask anything, just feel free to drop them in the live comment section and we'll be happy to take your questions. Congratulations all the winners.